Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about the updates in the Blast system. Let's get started. In Blast's latest update, there are NFT Fi, Social Fi, and Jackpot multipliers. To activate these multipliers, we need to use some applications as we did before. I want to activate the NFT Fi multiplier. There are a few applications I can use for this, and I'll use the element market. Within this market, I'll purchase a cheap NFT, preferably Blade Module NFTs. When buying the NFT, I'll need to connect my wallet and click the Buy Now button. After clicking the Buy button, I'll have acquired the NFT, thus fulfilling Blast's NFT Fi task. After a few minutes, you'll see that this task is active, and you've earned a 2x multiplier. Now, I'll perform some actions to earn the Social Fi multiplier. For this task, I prefer using spacebar. Once on the site, I'll press the Check My Point button. Then, I'll connect my wallet and perform a free mint transaction. After this, I need to create a username, which I'll also do. Spacebar is a Web3 project with features like games and Ethereum staking centered around the community. Here, there's a feature where you can collect points daily. I want to use the staking feature of this site and stake a small amount of Ethereum. After this action, I'll have completed Blast's Social Fi task. Now let's look at the Jackpots. Jackpot is a new feature in the update, aiming to give significant gold rewards to users holding token or NFT stacks based on certain criteria. To increase our chances of winning rewards, we need to create a stack consisting of tokens and NFTs. Note that tokens have a higher chance of winning rewards. If you don't have any tokens, you can acquire them from Thruster or other preferred platforms. I'll get Pac Moon. Now, I'm ready to create the stack. I'll place Pac Moon into the stack. Additionally, I can add the free NFT I created earlier on Spacebar or other assets from my wallet. After creating this stack, a few minutes later, I refresh the page and see that I've reached 12x. Please be cautious when performing transactions. If you don't trust the applications, you can create a new wallet within Blast and conduct your transactions from the backup wallet. Multipliers you earn in the backup wallet will be active in your main wallet as well. I'm not giving investment advice and I don't trust any projects. Please remember this when connecting your wallet. I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.